that with your horse friends, not with me. That's a horsey playtime, not a human play. Enough for my liking. Isn't that right, Mama? You can be crazy with her. Yeah, just don't be crazy with me. Yeah, I'm not a horse. No, and I don't want to play like that. And I can't play like that. I'll just get hurt. Oh, you guys go play with each other. I'm going over here. Isn't that right, Zosie? Staying away from the two baby girls. No, stop following me. Stop following me. I don't want to play. I don't want your energy. You're the crazy girl energy. Yes, you are. Yeah, I don't want to be a part of it. Yeah. Should we go see your mom? Comes Mama. Zosie. Zeta, you were just totally freaking me out. Come on, get a hold of yourself. Her energy is just so jacked up and so full of play. It might not look like much, but I'm going by feel. Have you come to help me keep your daughter in check? Yeah, should I come over by you? Zeta. Okay, so I'm sinking my energy down into the earth. And I'm sending out just like a soft pink. Ooh. Yeah, see, this is just so not a good idea. So I'm going to move right over here. And these two are still wrestling. Everybody's so jacked up because of the wind. Little King of the castle girl, hey? Yeah, I get it. I get your energy. That's why I wasn't staying there. Look at you, proud Mustang pony. Hello, Ms. Magnificent. Hello. Hello, glorious one. Look at Odie's hair. Isn't it amazing? You know, Hollywood stars pay thousands of dollars to get hair like hers. Yeah, you work it, girl. Beyonce got nothing on you. Your mom is coming. Oh, nursing time. Always wanting to bite me, hey? She always wants to bite me, your daughter. Yeah, she always wants to play with her teeth. That's your way, isn't it? You guys all play with your teeth, don't you? Yeah. It's yummy. Why do you keep coming to me? Huh? Am I a safe zone? Am I the place where Sione's not going to come? I'm going to keep you safe? Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Not you again. Good girl. Good girl. See if Big Mama wants to play with you. Hi, sweet girl. You calm down now. Yeah. Maybe calm down. You gonna follow me to Big Mama? No, you're not supposed to follow me to Big Mama. Big Mama's a safe place. Here. Oh, he loves kisses. Oh, he loves some kisses. This is my Zeta escape plan. It's called Operation Odalina. Using herd. I'm using herd wisdom and herd dynamics. Yeah. You don't have to have any arguments. And we don't have to have any power discussions. You're just a little yearling anyway, and your play is stronger than your sense right now. There you go. That's good. See, she's seeing her off. So I don't need to have those conversations with Zeta. I can let the older horses do it for me, and this is part of the wonderfulness, wisdom, and magic of a herd. You don't need to take on all the educating of these young ones who have so much to learn and not much control and so much play and experimentation and pushing boundaries and learning their own power. You don't have to get into all of that. You can leave that to the older horses who are so much better qualified and talented and able than we are. And the Icelandic horse breeders, they don't even touch their foals until their foals are 4 years old, because they believe if you touch them any sooner than that, you take away something that's vital and essential to the character of the horse, and you can never get it back. So we in the Western world are working from this, I believe, very mistaken view that we must dominate these babies and teach them who's boss and teach them that they're weaker than us and get our hands all over them and do all kinds of really horrible, nasty things. And usually our justification is in the name of safety. But how about you just keep them together with their mamas, and even better with a herd, and let the mama and the herd do all that work in a natural, untwisted, unpolluted way. It's my choice. Should we go in the barn? Who's left out here? Nobody, just us two. Let's go in the barn, Mama. This old barn is you never know if sections of the roof are going to blow off or come down.
Yeah.
But if they feel safe to be in there, I'll take my cue from them.
Yeah.
They would know before we did.